Hi, Sai here. I'm part of the delivery and implementation team at Analysis Prime. In this video blog, I would like to demonstrate a new custom function which was introduced as part of the 2023 QRC3 release. In this video, I'll be covering how to use the custom function getTableStatus. Then, jump into the Excel to show you a demo. I will close this video by doing a recap of what we learned today. The syntax of using the custom function is shown here. We first write the custom function getTableStatus followed by the table name we want to apply this on, and then followed by how we want to display this error message. For example, 1 means show only the status, or 4 means show the table name, status and the status message, and so on. This custom function not only shows us if a table is refreshed or not, but it also helps with identifying if there are any troubles loading data into any of the tables. Let's now jump into the Excel to have a look at this. So this is the Excel add-in. What I'll do first is sign in. Let me now remove this table and show this to you again on how I'm adding a table, and then I'll show you how to add the custom function. The steps to add in a table is standard. You just go add table and then we select the model. Now what you see here is the model has been added, or the table has been added here. So now let's get into the main topic, how to add in the getTableStatus. So all we have to do is go SAP, and here we have the function called getTableStatus. Here we select that and see the syntax here. It says tables and display. So what we have to do is in quotes table 3, as this is third in line, and comma, and for our example we'll go with 4. So this shows that the table has been refreshed. The present status of the table has been refreshed, as when you add in a new table it automatically gets the refreshed. So now there are different options with the table refresh statuses, which I'll be covering in the PPT. Now, so let's get back into the PPT. What you're seeing here is an example of the table output status. So I took another example, and for the benefit of understanding, I've put that in a snapshot here. These are the different types of status messages we have. 0 is for table refreshed, 1 is for table not being refreshed, and so on. So this is what I wanted to cover in this video. So now let's go ahead and close this video out with a recap. So in this video I covered how the SAP getTableStatus custom function works with the demo of it in the Excel add-in. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.